Evening, I am Swati Joshi. You're watching Breaking Ground, and at 5 p.m. we get you the day's top news breaks. First up, let me tell you what is the top focus at 5. First, we'll talk about the massive Muslim outreach by the Saffron Party. Saugate Modi kits are going to be distributed to people of the Muslim community in the run-up to the festival of Eid. The opposition says this is mere tokenism. Also accuses the BJP of being anti-Muslim. Then in the broadcast, we'll talk about the fugitive self-styled godman Nityanand, who's now embroiled in a global land scam. The allegation against Nityanand is that he has duped the indigenous tribe of Bolivia into signing land deals. And later in the broadcast, we'll talk about the Tamil Nadu YouTuber whose house was ransacked and his family threatened. First, Kunal Kamra, now the YouTuber from Tamil Nadu. The intolerance debate has been reignited. But can vandalism be justified? We'll tell you what the Janata has to say about that. Let's get you the stories in detail. Well, it's Ramzan and the political leaders have been sparring over iftar parties, but there's a fresh turn to the face-off. In a big outreach to Muslims ahead of elections in the state of Bihar and otherwise in the entire country as well, BJP has announced the Saugate Modi campaign to woo the Muslim voters. Campaign times with Eid and aims to showcase Prime Minister Modi's development work and government schemes as gifts to the Muslim community. Party workers and leaders of BJP are reaching out to Muslims, distributing literature on government welfare initiatives and highlighting Modi's leadership. The campaign is seen as a move to break traditional voter patterns and build new support among the minority community. 32,000 BJP workers will reach out to 32,000 mosques and distribute Saugate Modi to the economically weaker sections from the community. The BJP aims to promote message of brotherhood and inclusivity with this. The party also plans to extend similar support to the needy families during other festivals.
अपने लोकप्रिय नेता नीतीश कुमार जी का मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने यहाँ कमान संभाला, एनडीए के साथ संभाला। एनडीए में हम सब लोग साथ रहे और जो भी विकास हुआ मुस्लिम समाज का, मेरे माइनॉरिटी समाज का, उस समाज का विकास हमारे नेता नीतीश कुमार जी ने किया, जो आप भी जानते हैं, मीडिया के साथ ही अब छिपा हुआ नहीं है। इसलिए मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। आने वाले दिनों में भी हमारे नेता बराबर बात करते रहते हैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब से कि हमारे समाज के माइनॉरिटी के लोग कैसे उत्थान करें, कैसे राइज हो, उस पर बातें चल रही है। मुझे भरोसा है कि एनडीए इस बार प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब जरूर तोहफा देंगे, चूंकि हमारे नेता नीतीश कुमार जी बार बार बात करते भी रहते हैं। और चूंकि नीतीश कुमार जी ऐसे नेता हैं जो हमारे समाज को वो जानते हैं, चूंकि हम लोगों की सबकी मानसिकता एक हो गई है कि बिहार की खूबसूरती इसी में कि हिंदू मुसलमान मिलकर चलें।
मुस्लिम समाज के लिए मोदी जी की शानदार योजना सौगात-ए-मोदी, ईद के मौके पर 32 लाख मुस्लिम परिवारों को मोदी जी की ओर से सौगात दिया जाएगा ताकि वो अच्छे से ईद मना सकें। पूरा का पूरा किट 32 लाख लोगों को दिया जाएगा। इसमें भाजपा के 32,000 पदाधिकारी 32,000 मस्जिदों में संपर्क कर मुस्लिम गरीब परिवारों को चिन्हित करेंगे और ईद के मौके पर उनको सौगाते मोदी मिलेगा ताकि उनको ईद मनाने में कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो। रही बात वोट की, तो चिंता आपको करनी है कि आपको वोट के दलालों के चक्कर में पड़ना है, वोट के ठेकेदारों के चक्कर में पड़ना है, या सही मायने में जो आपका विकास कर रहा है आपका वोट वहां पड़ना चाहिए।
So these kits will be handed over to Muslims for Eid. What will these kits contain? It will have food items, dates, dry fruits, and it will also have suit material for girls and kurta pajama for men. Each of these kits will cost around 500 to 600 rupees. But the opposition is seeing red over the outreach. And we have some breaking inputs coming in. Top Muslim bodies are hailing this move, this outreach by the Saffron Party. The Shia Muslim Personal Law Board says this move of the Bharatiya Janata Party will spread a message of harmony and send a message to those who are spreading hatred.
ईद के मौके पर 32 लाख मुसलमानों को सौगात मोदी किट जो दी जा रही है, ये बहुत अच्छी पहल है और इससे मुल्क के अंदर आपसी भाईचारा, आपसी एकता का संदेश जाएगा कि प्रधानमंत्री मुल्क के सबसे बड़े इंसान 32 लाख मुसलमानों को सौगात दे रहे हैं। इससे बड़ी अच्छी पहल होगी और वो छोटे नेता जो भड़काऊ बयान देते हैं जिससे हिंदू और मुसलमानों के बीच में एक खाई और एक नफरत पनपती है, तो इससे वो नफरत को पूरी तरीके से विराम लगेगा।
Well, the opposition that has been attacking BJP for being anti-Muslim now says that this is just a token. While the BJP says this is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vishwas and the Prime Minister's message and speaks about the BJP's campaign of inclusivity, the opposition calls it a bit to mislead Muslims.
आरएसएस का मकसद नाथूराम गोडसे का मतलब ये लोग पूरा विरोधी है सब। सब दंगा फसाद कराने वाले लोग हैं। ये लोग कभी भी किसी का नहीं है। भाई क्या देंगे, ईडी देंगे नहीं देंगे, उससे कोई लाभ होने वाला नहीं।
प्रधानमंत्री जी के इस गेस्टर का मैं स्वागत करता हूं। और प्रधानमंत्री जी को अगर सौगात देनी है तो प्रधानमंत्री जी सौगात दें शिक्षा की, प्रधानमंत्री जी सौगात दें सुरक्षा की, प्रधानमंत्री जी सौगात दें सम्मान की। प्रधानमंत्री जी मुसलमान को वो चीज़ है जो दिन मुसलमान को ज़रूरत है।
लेकिन आपको लगता है कि ये चुनाव नज़दीक है बिहार में, क्या अपनी छवि को बदलने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री या बीजेपी प्रयास करें ताकि वो मुस्लिमों का वोट पा सके?
देखिए, मुसलमान को अगर आप प्रयास कर रहे हो तो ये भी चीज़ें जो मैंने कही हैं, जो बुनियादी चीज़ है मुसलमान की, जो ज़रूरत है मुसलमान की, वो देने का काम करें।
अब इससे बड़ा मजाक और क्या हो सकता है। अब मगरमच्छ के मुंह को देखिए, खोलता है, दांतें लगती हैं, ऐसे लग के कितना अच्छा हंस रहा है। उसके पास लोग जाते हैं, वो निकल जाता है। वही हाल है बीजेपी का, केवल झूठ बोलना, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं करना। इनकी नकली राष्ट्रीयता दुनिया जानती है। तो ये आदमी तो गद्दार है बीजेपी और इनके जो RSS है, इनके क्या सोच सकते हो, कैसी बातें करते हो। सबसे बढ़िया मजाक पूरे दिन भर का आज ही था।
So is this Saugat and Sabka Saath or tokenism? Let's open up the debate and go across to our guests. We are joined by Neeraj Kumar of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Nikul Patel Congress, and Professor Anwar Pasha of the RJD. Neeraj Kumar, let me begin with you because the opposition says this is nothing but sabse bada mazak. As you must have heard Kirti Azad saying कि ये सबसे बड़ा आज का मजाक है, this massive outreach of the Saffron Party.
Swati ji, helping poor Muslim wholeheartedly during the month of Ramzan is our priority. We don't engage in the politics of appeasement, but in the politics of satisfaction with our core mantra and our Modi ji's vision, सबका साथ सबका विकास। ये उसी का एक हिस्सा है। इसका राजनीति से कहीं कोई लेना देना नहीं। एक सामाजिक पर्व है, ये पर्व है, धर्म है, उसमें हम लोग उनका साथ दे रहे हैं। वोट में आपने सुना होगा मेरे बयान में, वोट देना नहीं देना, हम लोग वोट के लिए काम कर भी नहीं रहे। आप वोट दें नहीं दें ये आप सोचें कि कौन आपका भला करता है, बट हम लोग आपके लिए करेंगे। द सौगात मोदी campaign reflects PM Modi's version of सबका साथ सबका विकास.
Okay, let me bring in Professor Anwar Pasha. The message is सबका साथ सबका विकास. BJP is talking about inclusivity. Why doubt the intentions? And they are saying we are not talking about vote bank here.
Swati ji, this is sheer appeasement. Nothing but sheer appeasement by the BJP and Modi ji. Modi ji considers Muslim beggars, and he is distributing arms to Muslims. 32 lakh Muslims will get they are begging for arms, and Modi ji is giving them arms. This is the condition of Muslims today in this country. Muslims do not want arms.
You are going in wrong way.
Is that how you see it?
They want,
Professor Anwar Pasha, is that how you see it? Because the Shia personal law board, has just welcomed the move, saying that, you know, this is about Sabka Saath and it will send out a message to all those who are spreading hatred. Do you believe that Shia personal law board is also in sync with Narendra Modi ji?
Those Muslims who are the stooges of Modi ji, they will support it.
So those who are supporting are stooges of Narendra Modi.
Everybody has a right to express their opinion and their reaction. My reaction is that this is sheer, I think, appeasement you can call. I don't call it appeasement. This is a kind of distributing the arms to the 32 lakh Muslims. Muslims do not want any arms. They want their democratic rights. They want education. They want their economic welfare, the economic growth. They want the security in this country. Muslims are not dying for this.
But Professor Anwar Pasha, what makes you say that Muslims are not being given their democratic rights in the country, or they're being denied of opportunities, or that there's not a level playing field for them? When the government launches a policy, is that only for Hindus, Jains, Sikhs, Christians and not Muslims? Do they not benefit out of these policies?
BJP opposes all the policies, all the affirmative actions of the secular parties who wants the development of Muslims. They likewise in UPA government, there were scholars given to the poorest Muslim children. That was stopped by Modi ji. Modi ji refused, even before being PM here, he refused to implement that scheme of scholarship for the poor Muslim students in Gujarat. So they don't want Muslims to be educated.
Okay.
They want Muslims economic.
Neeraj Kumar, please come in. Neeraj Kumar, please come in. You heard Professor Anwar Pasha who's describing this as giving arms, not sabka saath sabka vikas, and he's saying Muslims don't want this.
It is very surprising yet telling that a party which ruled for 17 years and a ninth failed leader whose parents were in Chief Minister of Bihar, returned by simple gift of Modi ji. This fear expressed their insecurity. Decades in power couldn't build the trust the Modi ji one gesture has among the people. ये डरे हुए लोग हैं. एक गिफ्ट मोदी जी के गिफ्ट से इनमें हाहाकार मच गया है. ये डर गए हैं, ये घबरा गए.
What is the real face of
मैं
Modi
बार-बार
ji?
कह रहा हूं कि हम लोग अपीजमेंट की राजनीति नहीं करते, तुष्टीकरण की नहीं, संतुष्टीकरण की राजनीति करते.
Okay, let me bring in Nikul Patel. Nikul Patel, Neeraj Kumar is of the view कि opposition is rattled because till now you've been attacking the BJP, saying that they are anti-Muslims and that BJP is against the Muslim community. Now they are reaching out. The opposition has no other agenda. And if the BJP would have reached out in a similar way during Hindu festivals, you would have said, देखिए ये तो सिर्फ हिंदू वोट बैंक के लिए काम करते हैं. How do you respond?
See, BJP is on the path of Congress, and then they have realized that definitely to help everyone will make the country more stronger, and that is why they are on the good path. देर आए दुरुस्त आए अच्छी बात है, but now they will not be able to say that Congress is doing an appeasement politics. They will not be able to say that Congress is the party who belongs to Muslim only. Now they will not be able to say that the Congress is the party who.
So you don't agree with RJD. So you don't agree with RJD. You are welcoming the move.
Let me finish. BJP is also party who is thinking of Muslim as per what this entire Saugate-e-Modi is going to be there in the month of Ramadan. I think they must not. I would request all Bharatiya Janata Party spokesperson and especially Shehzad Poonawalla can now ever never speak that Congress is the only party who is doing an appeasement.
But they've also announced that similar such gifts will also be given to people of other religions and communities during their festivals and celebrations. So is that not Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas?
Don't say that now. Don't say that Congress is doing an appeasement politics.
But they are saying this is Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. We are not doing this exclusively for the Muslim community.
We are also doing Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas.
So are you then welcoming the move and you don't agree with RJD? Would you say you don't agree with RJD? This is not appeasement. This is Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. Are you welcoming?
Following the Modi ji.
I am just telling that
सबका साथ सबका विकास.
दुरुस्त आए.
हाँ तो आप welcome कर रहे हैं ना, यही मैं पूछ रही हूँ आपसे. So then in that case you don't agree with the rest. So then you don't agree with the rest.
But now not say that Congress is doing an appeasement politics. I request Bharatiya Janata Party. They are moving with the step that
Congress is interested more in how Congress will be viewed now. I'm asking you, so does that mean that you are not in sync with what others in the India bloc are saying?
That is what I am telling, that now Bharatiya Janata Party must not tell that Congress is doing an appeasement politics.
Congress is only interested in what Congress is going to be viewed as. Let me bring in Professor Anwar Pasha. Professor Anwar Pasha, your ally in the INDI bloc and here a co-panelist Nikul Patel says ये तो कांग्रेस के रास्ते पर चल रही है.
Swati ji, everybody knows that Muslims' houses are being bulldozed. Muslims' houses are being burnt. Muslim youth are being arrested. What happened in Nagpur? Who is doing this?
Did you not see the videos of how the mob went on a rampage, sir?
Mob lynching of Muslims are going on continuously.
Professor Pasha, speaking specifically about Nagpur, are you justifying the vandalism?
Our Prime Minister says Muslims are thieves. They will steal your Mangal Sutra. This is the mind that our Prime Minister speaks. Our Prime Minister says that recognize the Muslims from their dresses. This is the mindset. This is the mindset. You think they are going for the welfare of the Muslims?
But Professor Pasha, no, one second. Since you mentioned Nagpur, is it fair to inject the religious angle and completely ignore the vandalism that was witnessed? Can anybody justify the vandalism?
It was all created by BJP. Let there be inquiry.
Okay. I have to wrap up very quickly. Neeraj Kumar, quick rebuttal, please. Just an eyewash, just tokenism.
अनवर पहले दिखाना चाहता हूं, अनवर पासा के जो नेता है तेजस्वी यादव जी अभी पूर्णिया में एक इफ्तार पार्टी में गए थे और वहां कट्टा लहराया जा रहा था एक युवक के द्वारा और उसको ये सपोर्ट करते हैं. तो ऐसे लोगों का जवाब देना भी हम लोग आवश्यक नहीं समझते।
All right.
मैंने पहले ही कहा कि वी आर नॉट डूइंग द पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ अपीसमेंट,
Okay.
बट वी आर डूइंग द पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ
Okay, I'm completely out of time. BJP says this is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Opposition is unimpressed. Opposition says this is mere tokenism. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for joining us.